welcome in to another woolly review. Today we are doing Sirdar Happy Cotton 20 grams. Now this, as you see, is a DK, double knitting DK. And even though we are not reviewing the colour, this is in 784. Now this kind of looks like light blue. If I put it against the light blue, you might see a slight difference. It's because of the screen, but this is a tealy blue. But anyway, we're not reviewing the colour. We're not. It's not what we're here for. Suggested is a 4mm hook. That's handy because Beanie is a 4mm hook. Yeah. Or of course 4mm needles. All the details for this will be down in the description below. I got this for 99 pence at the Wool Warehouse. It's the cheapest place that I could find it. And in this 20 grams is 43 meters or 47 yards. So I have bought this deliberately to make a dishcloth. And it is, of course, 100% cotton. I mean, I say of course, but so there is no stretch. And we're not here to review my stitches. We are just here to review the cotton, which has a lovely sheen on it. Lovely sheen. And it feels very, very soft. Very soft, which I'm quite surprised at because it's not mercerized and yet it's still got that lovely sheen. But we'll find out if it's splitty. We'll find out how it feels working up. We'll see. Whatever may be. Maybe. So I bought this deliberately to make a bathroom cleaning cloth. Because I like blue in the bathroom. This does, of course, come in a variety of colours other than blue. It's, you know, you don't have to like blue to buy it. Okay, I've got to say it feels a little bit stiff as I'm working with it. Although that feels really soft still. I'm just speeding up a little bit just to see if without me watching properly it'll end up splitting, because it looks very splitty. There we go. Sorry for blurring out. I apologise. Feels very, very soft. By the way, custom hooks. You don't have to be a pencil holder for Jelena to make you a hook. She can make hooks to your specification, your design, what you fancy. Down below, underneath the thumbs up and the subscribe button, you know? Okay, let's frog after we feel. Let's have a feel. I like that. On the skin, it's nice. Quite kinky. That's a worry. Because the more it'll kink, the more tendency it will to split, and it didn't split while I was using it. Now, little Sirdar Skeeny, you can sit with the hanky markers for a moment. Beanie, you can come and sit there. Let's have a look. Would I turn my back on it? Nope. Would I be quite annoyed if that was the only thing in the shop and I had no other choice? Nope. Would I be overly happy to have that as one of my top, not the top, but one of my top suggestions, and be, yeah, well, you didn't have what I wanted, but yeah, okay, I'll take it. Let's go one more. One more. It didn't split. It feels nice to wear on the skin. It did feel a little bit stiff working up. It did. And it's got an extra little bit of a kink in it than I would probably like to give it another little ladybird. I mean, he is hiding under there, but to sleep now, little ladybird. So for me, 4 ladybirds out of the 5 for the Sirdar Happy Cotton. This is a 20-gram skein. I like it. 99 pence for 43 meters. I'm a little bit fussy. I guess that's just a little bit much, but it works quite nicely. So this is my review for this one. Oh, by the way, did you know about the 2K giveaway where I'm giving away over $300? Did you know about that? Well, all you're going to need to do is look in that top corner when this video ends and give it a click and go and join in and share and share and share, because if you don't share, nobody wins any money. And there's up to 2 winners. So go and have a look. And maybe I'll see you next time. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.